In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update the BIOS drivers on Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly acquire the necessary files to perform a BIOS update and how to actually do it. So in this video, I'm going to be focusing on how to update the BIOS for a motherboard. So regardless of the motherboard model that you have, you will be able to perform this update. Alternatively, if you have a pre-built PC or something like a Dell Optiplex, for example, I'm also going to be covering how to update the BIOS for these systems. However, the process will be slightly different. If you want to update the motherboard BIOS, you will most likely need a USB drive. It doesn't need a lot of storage, however, it is recommended to format it in the FAT32 type. So before starting, plug it into your PC, right-click, format, and then choose FAT32. Once it is formatted, you will download the necessary BIOS files. So for example, if you have a B650 Pro RS motherboard from ASRock, you go to the official website, click on Support, BIOS, and it will be available here. If you are unsure which motherboard you have, press Windows plus R, look for MS Info 32, and once you press OK here, you will see all of the information about your PC. Your motherboard is going to be listed here under baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product. So for example, I have an Asus ROG Strix B558. Just note down the model of your particular motherboard and follow these same instructions. So in this example here, I chose another motherboard, the ASRock B650 Pro RS. You go to the official website, you click on Support, click on BIOS, and then you download the necessary BIOS files. Alternatively, if you have something like a Dell Optiplex, you go to the official Dell website, look for your model, look for the system.bios, and then download it here. Like I said, this is going to differ for every single manufacturer, so I cannot showcase all of them, but just visit the manufacturer's website and follow the instructions there. If you downloaded the BIOS files for a particular motherboard, all that you have to do is extract them into the USB drive. Once they are extracted inside, power off your PC and plug them into any of the available USB ports at the back of the motherboard. Now, restart your computer, and while it is powering on, press delete over and over to access the BIOS interface. If delete does not work, you can also try F2, F10, and other different keys. Look for the manual if you are unsure how to access the motherboard BIOS for your particular model. Inside, switch over to advanced mode if you see a button like this, so press something like F6, F7. Then for ASRock, you have to go into Tool and then Instant Flash. Like I said, depending on the manufacturer, this is also going to differ. So for ASUS, for example, you have to go into Tool and then ASUS Easy Flash 3 utility instead. Instant Flash will scan the USB drive that you connected until it finds a suitable update file, and you can perform the update from here. If you are updating something like a Dell Optiplex, you will most likely have a file that isn't executable, so you just run that executable and let this process finish. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS drivers Windows 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.